folks, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to the kitchen. We're still in the middle of blackberry season and we're doing yet another blackberry dessert tonight. Okay. I have my cast iron pan. I have the enameled pan, but I'm still going to put butter in there. Just spread everything around. That way it does not stick. We do not want our crumble to stick. Okay. And to that, we're going to add our berries. Folks, as always, I will put the instructions and ingredients in the description box. So I'm just going to put my berries in there. Spread them out. Sprinkle it with lemon juice. Now folks, the recipe calls for more than what I'm going to put. It calls for like 2 teaspoons. I don't like it that tart, so I'm just going to put maybe a half a teaspoon or something like that. Okay. Now we're going to set this aside for a minute. And we're going to make our topping. We'll put our flour. Folks, it calls for a cup, and I know I'm using a half cup measuring cup. But folks, in all honesty, if it's done in my jar, better. So you just use 2 instead of 1. Just a little tidbit. Mary's trying to make it easy on herself. Alrighty, now we're going to mix all this up. Just our flour and sugar. Now that that's really mixed, I'm going to add the egg to it. What's your all's favorite thing to do in the summer? You like to eat? You like to play outside? What's your favorite thing? I'm just going to keep mixing right there for a few minutes till we get that to the right crumble consistency. I finally gave up and went in with my hands. It's just much easier that way. That way I can make sure everything is mixed up and get it nice and crumbly. I think it would have been a little bit better had I chosen a larger egg, but that's the one I grabbed. But that's fine. Everything's going to mix up and work out anyway. This is an edit right here.
Come on.
Scraping it off your hands back into here.
Such is life.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to put our crumble mixture over top of our berries. Now folks, I know that this is not really juicy right now, but there's going to be a lot of juice come out of these berries. Real life, folks. I'm a mess in the kitchen. After a quick hand wash, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top. A little bit of brown sugar. Then folks, we're going to top this with melted butter. We're going to pop it in the oven and I'll show you something delicious in a few minutes. Okay, The timer just went off on our crumble, so let's get it out of the oven. See my steam? I do that almost every time. Man, oh man, that looks good. Listen to this. Zoom in on this cameraman. That nice crispness. You can see all those beautiful berries in there. And folks, to me, what makes this totally complete is putting a little dollop or two of vanilla ice cream on there. And that, folks, is yet one more way that we have enjoyed blackberries this year. I'm telling you, it's been a great year for them. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Like the video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.